Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday, another shave. And it's the first Saturday in December. Where on earth did March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November go? It just seems to go like that. I remember just thinking a couple of minutes ago, I was here at my anniversary shave. Something reminded me of it. And that was what, 7-8 months ago, and it just seems to have gone in the blink of an eye. But here we are in December. So how is everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, thank you. I've had some new subscribers. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Thanks for your continued support. We'll crack on with the shave. We've got a good one lined up for you today. Let's get this brush in soak. Can you see that? That is the Wild West Brushworks. I think it's a 24mm Badger, but that knot sits a little low in there, and I think it's a bit too low for me actually, but we'll get that in to soak. That's a nice brush. That was an eBay find. We're going to splash up with that Whiskey Woods. First time using it. Opened it. Do you know what it smells like to me, guys? It smells like fine American blend with a hint of whiskey. That's what I get from that. A good old-fashioned barbershop. And do you remember that I went to TK Maxx and I got that aftershave balm? Well, they had another one. There it is, Cavera Beetle aftershave balm for just £2.99. Aftershave cream. It's pretty nice. There's a hint of mint in it. I don't think it'll go, but it looked nice in the thumbnail and I wanted to give it a try. Weapon of choice, we used the Makur. Here we've got the Indian version, or the Indian attempt at it, almost identical to the Makur. That's a Parker variant, and it's almost the same, the notches, the marks around the bottom, everything. You screw that and drops and push up. It's almost identical. What we're going to be putting in that, it says, let me have a look, Platinum Super, I think it's a Personna blade. It's called a Qball. Personna Qball. These are. Someone sent it to me and I can't remember who, but it had Personna Qball written on the back of it there. There's the blade there. And we'll put that in there. And if I seem a little subdued, guys, I had my flu jab. And almost immediately the woman looked at me like I was some kind of big baby. So what we're going to do, we'll attempt what we're going to do with the Makur, won't we? We'll start on 3. So if I forget to turn it up, 4 and 5, shout at the screen and you'll remind me. So we'll stick that in there. Yeah, she gave me my my flu jab. Now I've had 4 or 5 flu jabs. I don't even feel it. Never felt a thing. She put this one in and it was like, bam, right in my, and I was like, oh, and the woman, she's looking at me like, you big baby. But anyway, I got in the van and immediately felt flushed and red. And by the time I'd driven home, which is only about a half a mile down the hill, but by the time I had driven home, my head was absolutely pounding, and still is. But anyway, you didn't come here for a medical history, did you? Wonderful. Right, the star of the show today. Check this out. Look at that, guys. MacDuffs Backcountry Bourbon. This is their V4 base. Can you see that in there? Am I holding it right? Because I can't see it either. Where are you looking, John? Where is it? Where does it say it? Yes, there it is. There it is. V4 base. And that's got beef tallow in it, and it's got goat's milk in it. It's got shea butter, coconut butter, all kinds of good stuff in there. There's the pour. There's what it looks like. Now, to me, guys, what does this smell like? It smells like a mild tobacco scent, like if you were smoking a pipe whilst burning old whiskey barrels. That's kind of where you're at there. But I also pick up a hint of chocolate. Now I don't know if there's meant to be chocolate in there, but I also You know the script. It's like if you walked into a room and people were smoking cigars and eating chocolate and burning logs that had been soaked in whiskey. That's kind of where you're at. It smells scent strength. I would put it at about 5. It smells absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to crack on, get lathered up and get using it. So the brush has been soaking a little bit. Enough waffleization. Here we go. So how has everybody been doing? How are you? How are your shaves of the day? Look at this. Yeah, I am definitely getting a chocolate vibe. If anybody has used this, did you get that as well? Very, very definitely getting a chocolate vibe. So we'll wet the face. Oh, it smells fantastic, guys. We'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. And we'll see. See, I'm not keen on badger brushes, mate. They hold on. They hold on to the lather, don't they? But maybe as we get lathering, we'll have some fun with this. But look at this. Very, very rich. Very, very creamy. Very dense, very voluminous lather. We could just keep going and going and going. I'm going to dip the tips a little bit more. See if we can release. I dipped the whole head in the water then. But wow, look, I wasn't loading for very long, was I? Look at this. MacDuffs is good stuff. Have you used it? Have you used MacDuffs? Look at this, guys. Let me know what you think of it. We're getting into Kevy Shears territory here. Okay, that'll do. That will do. We'll clean up. Have you used these blades? This will be the first time I've used these blades. I was looking. I've got blades that people send me. Let's just clean that up there. I've got hundreds of blades that people send me. What was that? I've lost my train. Sorry guys, my head's splitting. Here we go. But yeah, I saw this one, Qball. I thought, what's that? Personna Qball. Here we go. Let's see how we go. I mean, it's Persona. It's not going to be a bad blade, is it? So please, as always, let me know what your slurp of the day is. I meant to say shave. I meant to say shave of the day then. So let me know what your shave of the day is and your slurp of the day. I don't think I'll be having a drink tonight. I haven't eaten today. It's about 4 o'clock. I went to the doctor's on the way home from work. So about 4 o'clock as I record, I haven't eaten at all. I haven't had breakfast, I haven't had lunch, I haven't had anything. Well, that may be accounting for me feeling a little under the weather. But I'm going to go make a meal, don't worry. Don't feel like you need to have a concert for me or send a food package. I'll be okay. Yeah, well, I like the Parker. I like the Parker, I do. And this blade is doing very well. So have you used MacDuffs? I know I've asked. But please let me know. Let me know what you're up to. Wow, that's a very slick soap, guys. Very slick soap indeed. Look at this. And from memory, I don't think it was a lot of money. I bought it Bought it a while ago, bought it from the razor company. 2-3 months ago. I think you've seen the unboxing, I can't remember how much it cost, but I've just used an absolute minuscule amount there. Off the top, wasn't loading for very long. And well, you've seen the results. Check out this lather. I think MacDuffs are out of Canada. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Like I say, let me know what your shade is. Let me know what your slope is. Let me know about anything. Oh. Do you know when you're ill? Oh man, all you want to do is just, well I do anyway, I just want to sit in a chair and be left alone. I actually wasn't going to do a video, but I thought no. I thought there are millions of people all around the globe, John, all sat there thinking, it'll go up in a minute. It'll go up in a minute. You know, if I let them, I could see all your little faces. I thought, I can't let you down. So I'm looking forward to the weekend. We've had a dusting of snow here. I'm just going to have some rest. Bit of family time. Oh, you're all shouting at, I can hear you all. Thank you. Thank you, Lee. What pass is this? Right, so I've put it on 5. Look, this is the against the grain. This is the last pass, isn't it? I could hear Lee shouting, you've not adjusted it. Can you hear that? I like this. I like the Parker, but it's not a progress. And I think this was more expensive than the Progress. But, you know, it's not, I don't think it's, I don't treat it like a Progress. I treat it like a Parker variant, you know. It's a razor in its own right. You know, I don't, unless I had them both here and did a direct comparison on the spot, I tend not to compare them. Although you, right. That blade feels a little bit rough. Yeah. I think the soap's helping it out there. That felt a little bit rough, that blade. Surprisingly, because I've used quite a few Personas and they've always been very good. Here we go. I see what I mean now about badger hair holding on. This is why I'm a synthetics man. What's this? Look. Oh, look at that. Absolute. Like, loads of it. Here we go, them leather mittens. Wow. Pretty close. It's just the usual suspects, guys. So, here we go. So if you're watching this and you think, John doesn't see himself. I've got the mother of all headaches. We're going to call that quits at that, guys. No, that'll do. I can't even remember if I've done 3 passes or 2 passes. Samantha laughs when I do that. She says your dad brain is kicking in. But here we go. There we are. You know what that is? You live in the UK. That's Marcus Radishford. Here we go. We did okay, didn't we, guys? We did. There's some hair there, but that will retract back. Okay, here we go. Splashkins, the Whiskey Woods. Yeah, I recognised it straight away the minute I opened this and had a sniff. I thought that's Fine's American Blend. with a hint of whiskey. Yeah, lovely. And now as it hits the air, you get the whiskey. Yeah, that's nice. Very, very nice. Good old-fashioned barbershop scent. And we'll cut through it with this cavera beetle. Just a bit on there. I like the balm because it just seems to add a little bit of nourishment to the skin. Put a bit of the moisture back. Although, that was a poor choice. Peppermint and whiskey woods. It didn't smell that minty when I sniffed it. Oh my word. There you go. Let's get it up the arms. I'm not washing it off. I'm not washing it off. That's the Ebenezer Scrooge in me. And that tight, I only breathe in. Right, there you go. That's it, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. John's flu jab, headache, Saturday shave. Woo! Please let me know what you think of today's shave. Good and bad. I can take it. I've got broad shoulders. Don't let the inflatable t-shirt fool you. Let me know how you're doing. Look after yourselves. And remember, as far as it depends upon you, be a beacon of warmth and light. The world needs more love. Look after yourself, everybody. And I will see you on Wednesday for a surprise shave. And do you know why it's a surprise shave? Because I don't even know what it is myself yet. See you later, guys. Bye.